This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to download Google Docs. So two different places I'm going to show you how you can actually, where you can actually find this download for Google Docs. So first of all, the App Store, the trusty App Store. Here is the URL now. It's quite a long link right here, so I'll put that link in the video description, so you can just click that link and wind up on this page. Now, this is the App Store for the iPhone. They of course have app stores for the iPad, the Mac, and so on and so forth. So depending on your device, you can download Google Docs directly to your device right from here. Now, another option right here is the Google Play Store. So you can actually install Google Docs directly from here. That is the URL, and again, it's quite long. I'll put that link as well in the video description just below this video, so you can click that and wind up here. So you will install either from Google Play or from the Apple App Store to the device of your choice. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Google Docs on any of your devices useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like